Thanks for all the introduction, and you left me with very little additional to say, but welcome to everybody. My name is Marina Reikuba. I'm head of the user support department, and I'm really glad to see so many participants. Today's program, I'll be chairing this session, and we will start with the opening, a few words from my side, from Michael Sterzik, and then we'll have presentations about ISO instrumentation facilities across the wavelengths, and then about the ISO Science Archive before the hands-on sessions. So as John and Monica already announced, everything is recorded, and please do not be shy because of that to ask questions. Do not be put off by that. You can ask questions by raising a hand. There is a small hand symbol in Teams, or by typing in the chat in the conversation channel, typing your question. I will collect these questions and I will then convey them at the end of each presentation to the speakers. So welcome, and I hope you will enjoy and learn who are the people behind the support, and keep on interacting with us also after this workshop. So with that, I give the floor to Michael Sterzik for a few words.
Thanks, Marina.
John, you need to stop sharing, sorry.
Hello to everyone.
All yours, Michael.
Hello to everyone. So it's a pleasure to soon see you all here. My name is Michael Sterzik. I'm part of a team, and this team that has actually organized and conducted and is going to conduct this workshop, this online LPO user workshop. And we in this team at ISO, we are all responsible, or we are, first of all, the main interface of you, the users, with actually the observatory, the ISO observatories. So it is great that we can do this. Also, we are here through these means. It is important to us to keep a close contact to our users, to enable this contact to our users, because we want to help you, we want to support you, we want to help you and enable you to get the best science out of this observatory. And we all know the ISO observatory is a big beast, and sometimes is quite, could seem quite complex. So in these interesting times, I would call this, as Monica said, this is both a challenge to have such an interaction with you, but it's also an opportunity. I think all this is new to us, to have these meetings like this. I mean, we used to have face-to-face meetings, and this is good. We should see faces, but also avoiding traveling or having this as an online event, I think, enables us to lower the bars, of you who could participate. And I'm extremely pleased to see how many of you from all over the world have registered and intend to follow this meeting. Actually, one idea here, as we don't see you now in the course of these meetings, but maybe it would be just enjoyable if, I don't know if the system breaks down, but I think it would be just nice to show faces. So I see we are more than 30 external participants. So if you like, switch on your video and wave and say hello. I think it's a great opportunity at least to see, and we would all be pleased to see the faces of you who are around. So maybe that's a chance. Please put on your video, and including, of course, the ISO faces, where you saw 4 of them of course, we know the ISO faces, but we don't know your faces. So if you like, switch it on. If you find it awkward, of course, you don't have to. But I think it's just a gesture. In reality, we would also see you, and we like this contact. So without more ado than this, please go ahead with this workshop. So it's partially an introduction, of course, to the ISO system and the ISO capabilities, but also we would like to push you and help you with some of the ideas and some of the tools and some of the problems, and enable you some of the problems you may have. And naturally, this will be working with data, with scientific data. So have a good workshop. Thanks, everyone.